Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Stone Schaefer here with your May 23rd 1 minute forecast. And smoke forecast once again today. Most of it, again, will be up in the sky, but some will reach the surface. Very light haze could be spotted. Air qualities are still in the moderate. We'll see how those change throughout the day. I know they rised a little bit once we got some of that heavier smoke at the surface yesterday. But right now in the moderate, could stay in the moderate through most of the day. But smoke will last throughout most, if not all, of today into tomorrow morning. But by tomorrow afternoon, there's actually a signal that winds are going to shift. That's going to push that wind out of the region and actually could see less smoke in the sky once we hit Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And may not see much once we hit Thursday. Now, this could change. We'll have to keep an eye on it, see how winds shift over the next few days. But looks like we could see clear skies by the end of the week. Gust forecast shows we'll stay windy as well. The day winds will start to pick up more and more throughout the day, throughout the afternoon, 25 to 30 miles per hour for many. As we move into tomorrow, though, that's where we'll see winds pick up mostly out to the west, maybe even to the north central. Could spread itself out into the central portions, 30 to 35 miles per hour, maybe even up to 40 miles per hour. As we get to the night, calm down a tad bit, but then Thursday afternoon, we'll see it pick back up, especially down to the southwest, where we'll see winds 40 to 45 possibly across really Dickinson down south into the Bowman area, and then even farther south into maybe a northwest South Dakota. And that wind's going to stick around through Thursday night. By Friday, the heaviest winds look to be out throughout much of the south, southwest, south central, into the north. Looks to be just a windy end of the week with maybe a more active weather pattern. And SPC has given us a non-severe thunderstorm threat today. We could see pretty much everywhere get some sort of precipitation with a thunderstorm throughout much of the afternoon. Some we'll keep an eye on, though. You, again, got some wind gusts could happen with this as they develop. Precision gas is going to show just pop-up showers through the morning, maybe even through the afternoon. Through the night, though, isolated thunderstorms could be a possibility, and that could last into tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow looks another day of some pop-up showers, isolated thunderstorms. Again, you may stay dry all day and get a 30-minute period where you see that rain because of a pop-up thunderstorm. As we enter Thursday, rain chances look to be sort of spread out, not showing that much, but there will be a rain chance through Thursday afternoon. Again, another chance of some thunderstorms popping up, and that will go into Friday where we could see maybe more uniform rain, mostly out west, but could spread itself across much of the region into Friday. And then Saturday, that rain looks to just want to develop. Again, it may not. You may stay dry all day, get just a pop-up isolated thunderstorm, because those are going to be what we see through many days this week. And your 10-day temperature trends, well, those are showing 80s the next 3 days, get down to the 70s for the weekend, and back to the 80s for the start of next week.